Hello and welcome to a GSI quick tutorial where today we will cover how to split American Express receipts in OpenAir. This is useful if you use the American Express live data feed function, which if you have it configured will send transactions daily from American Express to your OpenAir account where your users can then allocate them and submit them for approval. So straight away we're going to go into the expense reports that we have set up for this demo called Global Systems Integration Demo. Going into this expense report, you can see all of the information that we have imported from American Express with an additional expense item allocated. Now, we actually want to place $600 of this expense into the hotel bill and $25.70 into meals. So because we need to split this receipt into two categories for IRS purposes, we're going to go into the receipts section of the expense report, and we can see all the different line items now. From here, I need to go into the receipt by clicking the date link, and I can see that I have it currently allocated to lodging, room, and tax, and I have $625.70 all set for the hotel stay. If you click the little message bubble here, you can see additional options where you can split this American Express receipt. And from here, it allows me to allocate my expenses across multiple expense items up to the amount of $625.70. One cool function that exists within this screen is I can go right into the expense item and just choose the amount that I want to pull out of the original receipt, and it will automatically take the remainder and leave it to what the original receipt was. So for example, I've got $25.70 here that I'm pulling out and putting into meals. As soon as I hit save, the receipt will get split, and now you can see I now have $600 for lodging, room, and tax, and $25.70 for meals. And I can see that straight here from my worksheet, where I can now put my additional notes into the system. Hotel meals allocated for receipt, see hotel stay bill. And then from there I can hit save. And that's it. Fairly simple, fairly quick process that allows you to get one receipt and place it across multiple expense items. Thank you. And if you'd like to learn more about NetSuite and GSI's NetSuite services, you can visit the following link on the screen.